My name is Kevin Schmidt. I am the Facilities and Maintenance Manager for Grant County. Our job is to keep everything clean, keep our customers happy, keep them safe. How we use Dude Facility for that is that they can input work orders, and then we can respond to them and organize them and prioritize them so we can get them done in what makes our customers the happiest. And also we can use that for our PM work so that we can fix things before they break. I found out about Dude Solutions when I hired on to the county. Previously I had worked with other CMMS systems, and when I got to the county, my boss, Tom Gaines, told me about it, and he was all excited. He says, "This is the greatest thing, you're gonna love it." I opened up the application, I got home, it was on my phone, and I never had that kind of portability with the CMMS before. So I was at home and it was playing with it, made a report that first day with it. It was like, man, this is the coolest thing, right? So one of the great advantages of having that mobility is that the technicians, when they're out in the field, they can go to the work order, they can find the one they need to work on. It's with them in their pocket, in their hand, find it, and on the bottom of the application, they can hit start. So now they're doing their job. Once they get through the job and they're completed, they can hit the complete button on the bottom, and basically their time is recorded. So they don't have to go back to the computer, sit down and write in, "I worked on this piece of equipment for 1 hour," and complete the work order. The other thing they can do is they can do the talk to text, so they can put their actions in there to let the people know what was done to complete the repair. If you're using something else, I don't know why you are. I've had experience with other CMMS applications in the past. What's a T code, and you had to remember what your T codes were just to find a work order or to find what your budget codes were, and the difficulty of doing that. Dude Solutions is so intuitive, it's easy to follow, it's easy to use, it gives you the information that you're looking for, and you don't have to think about all these oddball codes and everything and where to find it and how to get it. I'm excited about the future because the Dude is by my side and looking to the future to help us.